Welcome, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the general. Here we have to find the option at the section phone management and tap on date and time, which should be on the very first position. And as you can see right now, date, time and time zone options are inactive, so because they are network provided, but we can set them manually. Of course, you have to tap on those switchers to turn off automatic date and time zone. And right now all of those options are active, so we can freely tap on it. So let me begin with the date. After tapping you will see this this calendar. From this calendar you have to pick the date you would like to set, for example this one, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, simply tap on it, and from this clock you can pick the time you would like to set, tap on OK, and as you can see it immediately changes on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it and you will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose, and all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. As you can see, it is immediately changed, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, you've got also time format option. Right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour clock format, just tap on the switcher here to apply the changes, and from now on the time is displayed in 12-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to manually set date and time. Obviously you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, and on those switchers to use automatic time zone date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to manage, how to customize date and time in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.